Hello there, and a very warm welcome to Broadmarsh bus station in Nottingham. We filmed at Victoria, we filmed at Derby, now we must do a short video here at Broadmarsh. There's a lot of history behind this bus station. We might not look it because it was demolished a few years ago and rebuilt. It's part of a whole regenerating Broadmarsh programme. It didn't actually go ahead because of Into going bust, the owners of the Broadmarsh shopping centre. Thank you. So we're not actually in the bus station itself. Oh wow. But we're just going to film some buses outside. There's the 9 for Nottingham. Right, next up we've got one of the new electrics. Tram. Camera's out of focus, bugger. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh, bugger, sorry about that. I'm aware it's a terrible angle, I just wanted to get that on video because it's Central Connect. Or at least it's their livery. We'll just get this last clip here. There's another Keyworth. Sorry about the camera lag there, I don't know why I did that.